To front post half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook around the post of the next 2 stitches, inserting from the front to the back to the front, yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So again, yarn over, insert from the front to the back to the front of the post, yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. One more time, yarn over, insert from front to back to front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops.